Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me just check. Yeah, the signal is perfect, excellent condition. I have just started the live stream of the current market situation, so I'm gonna go straight to the market cryptocurrency analysis. This video is all about the cryptocurrency analysis and price predictions of different altcoins and the Bitcoin price analysis as well. So let me start with the BTC right now. The title of the video is the bull run resumes. Well, we will try to find the answers today, so stick with me and we're gonna try to find the answers. Here you can see we have the BTC. Here we have a resistance at this area. If I go to check the analysis here, this one would be good. Let me confirm it here. You see that we have a resistance at the $41,950. Okay, this is the resistance, this is the local resistance, and if we take a look at here, the price is approaching this area very soon, this one. So we can say that there is no confirmation right now that the bull run has started, because if this candle closes here and gets rejected from this level, 41,950 level, then surely we are going down again. This level needs to close above. I'm gonna just make it yellow, and this one, I'm talking about this area. Let me turn off the magnet tool. This one, I'm talking about this area here. Okay, if this level gets rejected today and a candle forms below this area, closes below this area, then we have to consolidate for a few days maybe, and then we might retrace back to this area. But if this candle closes above 42,000, which is here 41,000, you can say that 42,000 is the area of resistance right now. So you can see right now, if we take a look at with the help of EMAs, here you can see the 13 EMA, which is very fast EMA. You see it is going to test this area. We are going to test this area 42,000. So if we break above this area, then surely the next resistance would be here, this one, which would be around this area 44,000. Might be we are going to touch the 45,000 resistance next, but first thing we have to break the 42,000 barrier. So this is the current situation. If we go back, let's check the possibilities of retracing. If the price gets rejected from this area, then how far can we go? You can see this one, this candle, this one, okay, this green bar candle which has a long wick on the downside. We can take this candle as a swing high candle. Okay, so we're gonna draw the areas here. I'm gonna draw the low of this swing high candle. So this is the area we can retrace back to. That would be around this area. Let me draw the price. Let me draw this area, 36,000. So if it failed to cross this area, then we might retrace back to this 36,500 barrier. So let me draw the zone here as well. Let me draw this one, 42,000 you can call it. Okay, let me check the people joining. TLM price prediction, thanks a lot. Welcome to the channel. Okay, Fiaz Qureshi, welcome to the channel, and the other one also welcome to the channel. TLM prediction was great, thank you very much. If you want me to do any analysis, please let me know. And let me pin this one. Sorry. Okay, this one is a test pin. I'll try to pin it so that I get your notifications and messages right now. Let me turn it on here. This would be good. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin scenario, guys. This is the Bitcoin scenario right now. We have to break above this level, and the 13 EMA is also there, so we might see some rejection at this level. Okay, so we have to break above this level. Okay, this is the current Bitcoin scenario right now. If we take a look at the 4-hour chart here, and here we have a different scenario, guys. You see here 4-hour. This, you can call this one is a previous swing high. If we make the, you know, this one, let me call this area, yeah. You see, just let me show you guys. Let me turn it off, and let me turn off this as well, and may drag it here. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. This area, this candle, this one, you see, this is the swing high candle. Okay, this was the swing high candle. Let me just make this color a bit. This is a very, you know, appearance. Just make it a bit, yeah, bit lighter, because this is making too much. Okay, now this area here, this candle is a swing high candle. Okay, if we take this also as a resistance, then we can say that the region here, this one, we can draw the rectangle here. I'm gonna draw the rectangle here so that we can get the idea. This is the supply zone, guys. Now try to understand why this is a supply zone. You can see this candle wicked here, got rejected. This candle also wicked here, got rejected. This candle almost touched the this area and got rejected. Then this candle again this candle. So we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 rejections at this area when the price was moving down. So 6 rejections means a lot of, you know, sellers wanted the price to move down, and when it came up, it got rejected from here, making a new swing high. Then it got rejected again 3 rejections, and then 4 times it got rejected, and due to the large sell-off volume, the price went down. And now again this is going to test the, you can see 1 2 3 4, this is going to test the 5th time. So this is an important key level, guys. 41 945, and also the above area would be somewhere 42. So these are the key levels right now. 41,945 to 40. You can say price, you can say this zone has a spread of $500 in between. Okay, so this is a supply zone, guys. So this is a supply zone, and if we go here, if we take a look here, let me draw the support here as well. You can see this is a swing low as well. This one is also. So I'm gonna make another rectangle here. This area would be a demand zone for now, this one. So let me make it, yeah, 36,000 here, 500 approximately, and the area here 36,200. So this is the demand area, guys. If price gets back to this area, we might see a rejection from this area and then a boom up. But if this candle fails to close below this level, then again we are going down to the previous swing high. That would be here as well. You can see this one. This is the previous swing high. You can see rejections at this level, multiple rejections at this area. So we need to close above this area. Let me check, do we have any? Okay, when you agree to join, you can make 1.15. Can you perform analysis to see if you can replicate safe move? Okay, bonfire. Let me check the bonfire. Okay, let's take a look at the bonfire coin. Do we have any coin, bonfire coin? Okay, coin market cap. Let me check the coin market cap, and also let us check the BS scan as well. Bonfire. Okay, it is currently ranking at 2815 with well over 75,000 people. That's great. Okay, and the supply is, this is the million, billion, trillion, 1,000 trillion. That's too much of the supply, and the volume is approximately 8 million. Okay, you can say 800,000. no, sorry, 846,000. Okay, and what are the markets it is listed at? Pancake swap, we have Dcoin. Let's take a look at the Dcoin here, so we can predict where is it gonna go. Let me check the website as well. Okay, buy on the Pancake swap, view live token info, and here it is. Dcoin, the volume is very low. You see here, these candles shows the volume is very low, but I'm gonna go to where would be the multiple, where is the time frame? I have to look for the time frame here. No, this one is not a time frame. Just wanted to know the time frame here, guys, because this website is new for me, so I think that would be the time frame. Yeah, let me shift it to 1 day. So we have the 1 day chart here. This is on the dcoin.com, and it was listed on 11th of May. So it's pretty new coin, only 14 days old. And what do we have here? If we take a horizontal resistance, this could be the support here as well, and this is making lower highs. You can see making lower highs. Now here, this could be the bottom here. You can see here the price got rejected from this area again, and then again. And when this candle crossed above these areas, you see this candle, when it closed above this area, you can, let me show you another trick here. Let me show you guys bonfire. If I show you this area and this area here, you see this candle closed above this area. That's why the next price movement was to validate that we have broken this area of you can say resistance. Now it has become the support. So 0.0, these are my 5 6 zeros. 17 is the support zone. The price can go to, this could be the next target for now if you want to buy anything. This one would be 28. So this is a little price prediction. We can't say right now. It can also go like TLM. Here we have a bonfire on the BOGE finance. Okay, let me check the with the help of 1 day as well. If we take a look at here 1 day chart, you see these gaps, these are big gaps. You see not a lot of trading. Small candles, you can see small candles, low volume candles. These big candles means a lot of volume is coming in, and if we take a look here, this one can also be a resistance support here. So right now we might be above the support zone. This is only due to the price of BTC is also moving up. So yeah, you can take right now, if we compare with the safe moon, let me check with the safe moon here. It has well over 1.5 million users with 202. So bonfire has to work really hard. It has to work really hard in order for the price to move up, because there are a lot of projects. Yeah, although it is listed, it is on the Binance Smart Chain, but it has to go to the, we have to take a look at the community as well, which is a Twitter. And let's take a look. They joined back in April 2021 with over 61,000 followers. Okay, eco-friendly, autonomous liquid generation and yield farming, making the first NFT-based social media ecosystem with the bonfire as its native crypto. Okay, we have 19/7 or go 24 May. Okay, yeah, you can say that the coins are, it has huge supply. You can see if we take a look at the safe moon. And just hold on guys, let me check your questions and answers, and I will let you know guys. It has a supply of, you can see this is too much of the supply, I can't even count. This is million, billion, that's also the same as the bonfire. 1,000 trillion supply with a volume of over 37 million, and bonfire had only 800,000. it was the volume. So it's gonna need you can say a lot of volume for the price to even go down to this digit, this one. You see, it has to, you know, inflow a lot of volume for the price to move up. You see, because the price is very low, it's almost on the 5 digits below the dollar. So yeah, you can, you know, buy some quantity. When you see some profit, you just move out, because this price can't reach this area. The supply of the coin is too much. You see, it does not mean that the price of the coin is you know, it's cheap. So it does not mean that it's cheap and it's gonna benefit you in the longer run. Okay, so try to buy those coins which have a good volume, you know, which has a good volume. Yeah, you can invest you know, the amount which you can easily lose, you can invest in those. So let me check with the, hope it goes well. Well, this was inverse and shoulder pattern. Yeah, I met the owner of Safe Moon in the Cyprus. These guys are just scammers. Safe Moon, okay, thanks. I have watched the MA of Moonfire and you look promising. Okay guys, so let me check the TLM right now guys. TLM coin, let's take a look at the TLM. I'm gonna go take a look at the TLM on the 1 day, so that we can understand what's going on in here. I'm gonna turn off all the MAs. I'm gonna make it background a little bit black here, so that we can easily understand the price analysis of the TLM. Okay, I'm gonna make it the wick white and show line here as well. I'm gonna make it a bit darker. No, sorry, white one would be good, but custom color would be this one. Okay, so this is the, now I'm gonna predict the price of TLM right now. I'm gonna turn off the volume indicator as well. So first let me go to the website. Let me check the coins ATLM. Here we have TLM, Alien Worlds TLM. It is on 247th ranking with well over 52,000 people on the watch list. And let's check the community tab. Let's check that Twitter handle. They have 45,000, approximately 46,000 people following the Alien Worlds here. So do they have anything new? We have to take a look at that as well. And let me just shut down these coins as well. Bonfire, let me turn it off. Okay, here's the website. This Alien was now in partnership with Binance. Yeah, they are on the Binance, one of the fastest growing NFT games, first in all dApps. Yeah, they are analyze world statics here. dApp radar is also, let's check the dApp radar here as well. dApp radar, I'm gonna take a look the TLM on the dApp radar here. Okay, what are the stats? Let us see, let us take a look at the stats of the, so these are the active miners in the last 24 hours who are mining the TLM coins over the last 24 hours. You can see mine in the last 24-hour average is this one. This amount of TLM has been mined. You can see 227,000 TLM coins have been mined over the 24 hours. If we take a look at dApp radar here, and let us take a look at the games. Let me go to the game and let's take a look which coin. You see here Alien World. If we open the blockchain here, you can see the users are increasing. Let's take a look at the users. Let's take a look at the users here. So Alien World has a lot of users here. If we take a look here, but they are, you know, they have well over 200,000 users. The next sub is the Upland, which is based on the EOS blockchain. So we can take a look at the Upland. This can be a you know, upcoming coin as well. Let's take a look at the Upland, because you see here it has grown over approximately 55%. You see 55% transactions with well over 42% users have increased over the days. So if we open this one, and let me go back to the TLM volume. The volume is the main thing as well. The volume here, if we take a look here, Mobo, yeah, this one is also one of the best websites, guys. Mobox. If you want to earn some free Mobo coins from some free dollars, you just have to go to the Mobox, okay, and you just have to play the games here, and you can earn a lot of money here. These are the 3 games, okay. The price of Mobox is this one. You just have to go their websites. These are the games. You just have to, you know, play the games. And I already logged in here. So this guy currently have 36 points with he can, you know, take the reward of 300 Mobox. 300 Mobox, it is approximately the price of $0.91. It means he has earned approximately $280 just by playing the games here. You can see here, this is the game, okay. So Mobox is also another good coin. Let me go back here. So what do we have next? Is it good time to buy link and dots to balance the average price of previous buys before the correction? Bought few links and dots, now wondering should I buy some more to lower the average price. Okay, Fayaz Qureshi, at what price did you buy the link and dot? Can you please describe? And right now I'm gonna predict the TLM. Just hold on, guys, let me check the dot as well. I'm also looking to buy the dot as well. You can see here I have drawn the resistance. If we go and take a look at here, this is the it is also near the resistance. You can see if we take a look at the 4-hour chart, okay guys. Dot, this is a polka dot chart, okay. If let me go back to the daily chart, and you can see here we have yeah, you can call this one the swing high. If we take a look at this candle here, we have to look for, let me show you guys this one, $24. I was aiming for this area, you know, I was aiming for 19.4. if it gets rejected from this area, we can retrace back to this area, which would be $19, okay. So what I expect that the price can retrace back if the BTC gets rejected from $42,000. Let me check the another tab of the, so that we can understand the BTC price right now. And if we take a look at the weekly chart here, we see this is the price right now. This is the perfect zone. I was actually aiming for this area. You see, you can lower down your price, Fayaz Qureshi, at this area. If price gets rejected, it is going to retrace. This is what I think, okay. This is what I think as well, because this is you know, area where the price can retrace back to. But here is the thing as well. If I close this, if I make this one as well, this is another area of, you know, you can call this one to be 23 to 24. This is also an area of, let me show you, this is also an area of supply here, this one. If you go and take a look at here, I'm gonna make this chart break down to, this is a weekly chart, okay. Now I'm gonna move it to 1-hour chart, and then you're gonna see why I am talking about this area. This area, you can see now, take a look at here. This is the demand zone, demand and supply zone, where this area, this zone is acting as a magnet tool, or the area from where the price gets, you know, gets rejected, okay. Either it's get rejected, or either it, you know, passes above this area. It doesn't, you know. So here you can see this area, we got triple rejections. Here we got some rejections. You can, you know, buy or sell from here. This is that area. You can take profit, you can buy, you can sell, okay. Here you can see we have a lot of rejections here as well. So if we go here, you can see this is the demand kind of zone, you know. Right now it is a supply zone. So you see here the price is getting rejected here, and here if we take a look this one. So you can, if the price gets out of this zone, if the price gets out of this zone, okay, out of this area, then surely the price is gonna move on the upside. Okay, then surely the price is gonna move on the upside. Let me turn on the 2-hour candle. If you see here, you see we have seen a lot of rejection in here. This is the polka dot. Okay guys, this is a dot chart, polka dot chart. Okay, you can see a rejection from this area, then this area. We have a multiple rejection at this zone, so this is a very important zone, guys. Let me mark this area to be this one, $24 to something around $23. So this is the area of supply right now. If anything goes below, then surely we are going down. If anything goes up, then surely we are going around somewhere. The take profit could be this is the swing high. We can go here. Let me find out the perfect area for you guys from where we can see a lot of rejections. Let me turn on 3-hour as well. Okay, we have this swing high. Okay, then it tested this swing high. Okay, this is swing low. Yeah, let me give you this idea. This one could be our next take profit here, this one. So you guys, if anything goes above, the price can go up to this level. This is because here we have this one. This was a swing low candle. You can see this down, long big downside, but the candle closed above this area. You see the candle, you know, it started from this area, so you can call this one a good area. You can see rejections from here as well. So this would be our first take profit here, approximately to $27, which would be the, you know, approximately, if we go from here, this will be the 10% right now. Okay, price moves in a, you know, in pieces, in cycles. So the next up would be this one. You can call this is a swing high. Okay, so this is, if you want to lower down your price, Gracie, then you can buy. You have to wait for the confirmation. If price breaks this region, okay, then price is surely gonna hit this area of, this would be, that is $27. If price gets rejected, if you bought at this area, for example, if you bought at $23, and we see some rejection from the BTC as well, then price is gonna, you know, pop back to this area, which would be around 20 or $20. If I'll take a look at the BTC on the trading view app here, let me guys, here, this one is a, you see here, we are approaching this area of resistance right now. So it is very important zone, guys, very important zone. Let me check the chat as well. Okay, to lower the average price, bought few links, dot $45, link $47. Okay, dot $45 and link sorry, link $47. So $45 you bought at this area, man. You bought at very high price. This one you bought at this area, you almost bought at the top. Might be bought at this area or this area, this one, 45. Okay, so we are currently right now approximately, if we take a look at here, we are approximately down to 45%. Okay, yes, you can buy at this price if you want to lower down your price, but you could have bought at here. Why did you bought it here at these levels and the price was already low? Right now what I'm telling you guys here, the price can get low or it can go above. It depends on the BTC price. If BTC, see, we have multiple, you see, green candles. Here is the trend, 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles on the up, then and then a correction, then again a move up, then we can see a correction at this area 38,000 and then a move on the upside. But for this level to break, we need a good volume to break above. Here you can see this is the average price, average volume. You can see the volume is increasing, okay, but it is still below the minimum mean average. Bad timing. Okay, no problem, Fayaz Kreshi, it's okay. Is the TLM prediction done already? I just watched. No, I am going to predict TLM. I am going to predict let me give you, I am going to predict TLM and any other coins which you want me to do for you. Okay, Fias Krishi, let me tell you now. Let me tell you, if you want to buy the dot, then you can place orders. Let me show you guys. Let me show you the trick. What I do is, let me show you, Fias. Here is the thing. You see, we have a multiple areas here. If we take a look at 4-hour chart here, let me go to this. Let me delete this one. Okay, and let me delete this one as well, this one as well, this one as well. So let's suppose here, if I go to the daily, let me show you the trick, which trick I'm talking about. Okay, right now the price is in this zone. Okay, you see the price is in this zone. You can see if we take a look here. Let me delete these one as well. Here we can see the price is in this zone. Okay, so right now what you can do, Fiaz, this, you have to look for the swing high and the swing low candles. Okay, just draw the zones around them. Okay, just draw the zones around them. Here if we take a look, if we go and take a look at here, let me show you this one. I'm gonna make it this level. I'm gonna make it dotted dashed, sorry, dashed would be the good, and making it green. Sorry, that would be white one would be good. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, if we take a look here, I'm gonna draw different zones here. You can draw different zones here, all the wicks and the bodies and the candles here. One, you see this one, you can enter like a bot. You see here, if we take a look here, you can place your orders like this one. You can place, if you have, let's say, $100, or if you have like $200, you can place buy orders. If you want to lower your average, you can place $10 here, $10 at this level, $10 at this level, 10 at this. This is a ladder method. You average down your price, then 10 at this dollars. You have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You have 8 orders. Now what's gonna happen? It's gonna happen that if the price falls down this area, it's gonna lower down from this area. It's gonna average down the price from this area as well. Okay, so for example, if you bought here $100 of dot, okay, and the and we see the resistance and we see some crash or dump, then price can go down to this level. Then what's gonna happen? The amount of money you bought here would be $100. Then it's gonna go down to $80. Why? Because the price dumped, price went down. So you could have placed your order like this one, 1 2 3 at levels. Okay, but what you have to look is, you have to look for the candles, swing low, swing high candles. You can place your orders according to the wicks, according to the bodies. Okay, place the place the orders in the parts, not at the same time. You don't have to put your orders for $1,000 at one price. Just always buy in parts, This is what I'm telling you. So I hope you could have understand. Thank you so much. Okay, Steve Nash. Okay, Steve, I'm gonna move on to take a look at the TLM now. If you guys have anything to say, please let me know in the comment section. I'm free today. You can ask me anything, no problem. Okay, Fiaz Krishi, is everything okay? Is everything okay? बात समझ आ गई आपको? Sorry guys, I'm talking to my friend Fiaz Krishi. The reason, I want to tell you something, guys. A lot of people hate me in the in the comment sections and in the DMs, that why I speak in English. My English is not good. I know my English is not good, but the thing is I am making this content for the international people as well. Okay, I want to make it for the international people. If I speak in Urdu or Hindi, okay, if I speak in Urdu or Hindi, then how the English people are going to understand? This is what I mean. This is what I concern. So that's why a lot of Pakistanis and a lot of Desi peoples, they really abuse me, they really hate me in the comments, they really hate me in the DMs, but I tell them, I remain calm, and I told them that I am making this content for international people, not for the local people. If I tell you, let me show you my stats, let me show you what are my stats, guys. Let me show you what I want to tell you guys, so that you can further tell your friends. Fayaz, thank you so much, brother. I am lacking in English, but that's how it goes. Let me show you these the analytics. Let me show you the analytics here. If I go to the reach, here, let me show you my audience. Let me show you the audience here, this one. Okay, let me show you the audience. If I go to this one, now take a look at the geography, and this is my audience. Okay, now take a look at here. I have got audience from India, US, United Kingdom, Philippines, Pakistan, Netherlands, Australia, Indonesia. If it goes on, you see, Turkey, Canada, Germany, Malaysia, Vietnam, Nigeria, France, South Korea. Okay, I've got Spain, Romania, Thailand, Brazil, Singapore, Saudi Arabia, Belgium, okay, Poland, Italy, United Arab Emirates, Russia, Switzerland, Argentina, Greece, okay, Kuwait, Ukraine, Slovenia, Israel, Norway, Sweden, Hong Kong, Austria, and then we have Japan, Morocco, Ireland, South Africa, I can't spell this one, Portugal, Lebanon, Taiwan, Bangladesh, Bulgaria, and Croatia and Slovakia. So you can see these are only the top 50. There are many others. There are many other countries as well. So tell me, guys, how, if I speak in Urdu or English, would I get that amount of people? I don't think so. Only Pakistan, India, or Bangladesh to some extent can understand me. So that's why I make content for the international people. You see, I'm Australia, Fayaz Qureshi. That's good, Fayaz. I hope you are doing well in Australia. But I am available for you guys. I'm available for, we have a chat group as well. Let me show you the chat group. If you want to join our Telegram group, I just made the Telegram group 2 to 3 days ago, and I am handling with my friend. My friend is also an expert trader, Haris Mughal. You can find him on the, if you go to the trading view here, this is the Telegram app. Okay, this is the Telegram app. If you go to the Telegram app, just write down the crypto global 100 YT. Okay, this one is our channel. If you go to Telegram and go and hit to the global search, we have just very small amount of 164 subscribers. But here's the thing, if you want to discuss anything, you can do, you discuss anything. If you join the channel, then you go to the chat group. We have the chat group here as well. This guy Haris is a very good guy. He's an expert trader. You can go and if you go to the here, we have a good discussion. You see Haris Mughal, you can see here, he's a good guy. He's an expert trader. You can ask him anytime. You see Haris Mughal, 42k is the key level, keep an eye. You see, as I have already told you guys, that $42,000 is a key level. So here he says that if we break out the 42k level, you see, let me show you. Just hold on for a bit, guys. Just hold on just let me check. Okay, so here is the thing. Here is the thing. You see, Haris Mughal is a very expert trader, and he is his thinking is just like same as me. You can see he told us 42,000 is a key level. So you just have to go to the Telegram group and just join this group. Okay, so you can also trust him as well. Okay, next up we have got, okay, we can expect a 38k, 38.5k, and then a push. Yeah, yes Ganesh, we can expect let me show you, we can expect a 38k. yeah, we have also got this area. We have got the multiple rejections here. So this is also an important zone. If we take a look here, all the candles are closing above this area. We can have a correction down to this area. Okay, if we falls below this area, this is the swing low candle. Okay, this is the swing low candle. This is, here we see, this is the swing high, this is the swing low, this is the swing high, this is the swing low, this is the swing high, this is the swing low, another high. Now what I have to do is, this is another swing high. You see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So if the price falls below this area 36,000, then surely we are going down to 34,000. Okay, so this area needs to form or stays above 38,000, otherwise we are going down. Or if price can also go down to 36,000, then we can have a double bottom. So if I go back to the chats, okay, from Philippines, okay, Philippines, thank you for joining me. Thank you from South Korea, thank you from Australia, guys, thank you. And thank you everyone. Do you think TLM will get back to 0.5? Yes, sure. TLM is going back to the 0.5. Let me go back to the TLM chart. Okay, what do we have here? Guys, let me pin this. I'm trying to pin this one, but I don't know why is it not working. This area, enter pin mode. Okay, I've got a pin mode here. Now it's gonna stay above. Okay, that would be good. I can see you guys clearly. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, now we have the, if we take a look at here, now I'm gonna draw some levels so that we can understand what the price is doing right now. We have 0.8 up, pretty good. You know, if you take a look at here, we have a good you know, a resistance at 0.8. so if I go to the price tag, this one, and make it a bit, you know, maximize it and make it green, and text would be green, make it black, that would be good. Okay, we have a good resistance at $0.8. okay, 0.8. This is the swing high candle. Okay, swing high candle. So I'm gonna draw all the levels of this candle. If I go to this here, I'm gonna make it white, and that would be good. Okay, this one is you know, we can call this swing low of swing high candle, and but for these candles, this is the resistance. Okay, this is the resistance candle. If I go back to here, this as well, here we have another resistance at 0.75. so what can we expect? The price is you know, it is right now, what it is showing us, it's a huge amount it is showing us. I have to take a look at this one, 277% away from $1, away from 0.8. so it has to move a lot. So let me zoom in a bit. This is, guys, this is on a 1-day chart, keep that in mind. So I'm gonna go and take a look at the one-day chart. These are the support areas. If I draw the price here, 0.45 is the next target we're gonna hit. You can see, if we take a look at here, we have a good, you see how it behaved. This one is a good, you know, demand zone. If I draw a rectangle around this area, if I turn it off and make a rectangle to somewhere this area, this one, see this one is a good rectangular demand zone for now, guys. If we take a look here, just take a look here, the price came down, reacted to this area, then again the price came down, reacted to this area, got rejected, got rejected again, the price came down, got rejected. Rasul Yari, can you predict Matic price? Yes, sure. Yes, let me answer you. Yes, sure, Matic. I can do. Just wait. Let me clear with TLM. Okay. Here you can see this is the swing low candle, and if you take a look at this candle, how perfectly it stayed inside this zone. It stayed inside this demand zone, the low and the high inside this zone. So right now we have broken this area of resistance. For now, the next up would be, you can see this is the swing low candle, this is the swing high. We can also draw a little resistance here. This would be like here. I'm gonna make it dashed as well, so we can see a price surely gonna touch this area 0.2. but what would be the next target? The next target, this is the swing high candle, the price came down here. If we take draw the pen tool, where is the pen tool? This one. Okay, if you take a look at here, this is the swing low area, this is the swing low area, this one is a swing low area. Okay, this is the swing high area. Again the price came down to this level, swing low, swing high, again price came down, consolidation at this area. Okay, this area was a consolidation period, again price came down, and now we might see this level is going to be our next target. Okay, I'm gonna draw a perfect, I will try to first I'm gonna delete this one, let me delete this one as well. So what I see here we are surely going to hit our next target around this zone, and that would be somewhere, this is the short-term target 0.34. okay guys, we can see a move on the 0.34 if the BTC moves on the upward direction. Okay, if the BTC move on the upward direction, we can see this area can be our next take profit. Okay, but if the price falls back, you can place your orders in the buy. It can go to this level and then retrace back to this area for the correction, and then a move up to 0.3. from then again we might see some correction, and then again surely we're gonna touch $0.5. this is the short term, and 0.8 is the all-time high in this region area. Okay, so if I go and draw the let me draw this one, the Fibonacci level here. If I go to the Fibonacci tool, okay, Fibonacci is somewhere around here, yeah, this one. If we draw the Fibonacci here to this level low, and let me make the background clear, what do we have here? I'm gonna extend the lines, and here we have the zones. You can see here we have the zones here. The first target would be somewhere in this between. You can see the price is going to this, the golden pocket would be this one 0.61 to 0.45, this area. You see, this area would be the golden zone. When you say short term, okay, when you say short term, what time frame are you doing? Short term means I'm talking about short term means it usually happens in the days. Okay, days, it means days. You can call it the days, maximum 1 week to 1 week. This is the short term. Okay, mid-term means weeks to months, and long term means months from 3 to 6 months. Okay, so this is the short term price means, you see the short term. Let me show you why I'm telling you the short term. Here you can't expect the price to move like this one. It's not gonna happen like this. You see, the price came down here. This is on a daily chart. Okay, this is on a daily chart. What I'm telling you, just look at here. This is the daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart. If you take a look at here, price was in this area one day, second day price was in this area. Okay, third day price was making higher highs, fourth day it corrected. Okay, then again on the fifth day price it hit that target, this area. So this is the short term, this is called the short term price analysis. What does it mean with the long term? Okay, this is a 6 candle, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it, this target hit on the 10th day. On the 10th day it was above 1 week. Okay, so it, you can call this one a short term towards the mid term, you can see signal. Okay, so this is what it is. I got in the TLM at 0.24 and will hold. Yeah, Enigma K, you have to hold the TLM. Okay, so right now guys, we have to break this area on the short term. This area would be 0.25. From there I am expecting a price to move on the 0.34, because this is the area where the price, stayed. If I go to show there is no fixed volume profile, I would have drawn the fixed volume profile. But right now guys, this is the area, because I see this one of VIX here, multiple rejections at here. So I am pretty sure the price is gonna hit within 1 to 2 days or 3 days to 0.34 in case the BTC moves up. But in case BTC moves down for a correction, then we might see a retracement at this area. You have to understand. Okay, so next up, who asked me for the Matic one? Rasul Yari, Matic price prediction. Okay, if you have any questions regarding TLM, please let me know in the comment section. Now I'm gonna move to the TLM, Matic price, Matic USDT. Let me go to the Matic USDT and just hold on a bit guys. Okay, let me go to the Matic here now. I'm gonna move this chat bar for some time here. I predicted this area few days ago. If I go to the chart, let me show you. I predicted this. You can see in one of my videos I predicted the price to hit 0.74 and it did hit. Now we have from here, if someone would have bought the area, he would have got 200% profit by now. Guys, I predicted it on 23rd May. You can go and look out. If you go to my channel and take a look at the my videos here, if I go here, this one channel, I'm gonna go to the, just to give you the content here. If I go to the content, let me show you this one, Matic. You see, I gave this signal on the 23rd May. Here, this is the Matic alert. You can see here price, this was the demand zone, 0.83 to 0.74. so if someone would have bought this area, he could have been his portfolio could have been up to 100%. So I regret myself as well. So right now, if we go on to the, this is on a daily chart right now. So right now the candle is trying, to stay above this level. This level is, if I take a look at here, the price is trying to stay above this level. So if the candle closes, this is let me tell you guys, this one is the Fibonacci levels. Okay, Fibonacci levels. Usually what we say, 61% is a golden pocket. This is called the golden area. We might see some retracement back to this area. Why? You can see this swing candle, we see multiple rejections at here, rejections at here. You see this area, so we might see some retracement back to $1.8 here at this area in case the BTC fallbacks. Okay, the price is making, if you go and take a look at here, the price made swing high, then again swing low, then another swing high. Now we need to close above this area, this zone, in order for the price to move, or it can break the all-time high. It can break the all-time high of, you can see this one, $2.7. But for that, you just have to watch closely, guys. You just have to watch closely. If this candle closes above this area, 2.19, or you can extend to some extent 2.2. If the candle closes above this area, then surely we are going for 2.7 here, $2.7. Okay, $2.7 surely is coming. but you have to wait for the price to this candle to close above this area. Otherwise we might gonna see a retracement back to this zone, okay, from 1.46 to 1.75. so this is the current scenario of the Matic. Just keep an eye on the candle which is forming right now, and from there, and also keep an eye on the BTC here as well. You can see this is the BTC chart right now, and this is my chat group. Okay, let me go back to the trading view and also the chat groups. Okay, bought TLM at 0.61, no choice, holding. Okay, under which you just, if you want, if you have some, if you have some cash, you can, you can buy out, you can average down your price. Let me show guys, let me show you my trade. Let me show you, let me go to the XRP. Let me show you my trade guys. I posted, I bought the XRP. I'm gonna, for right now, due to the, here you can see the current, this is the price of XRP. I have put an order of XRP at $1.1, okay. But what I am saying right now, if we take a look at the BTC here, we have a BTC right now. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, the BTC is right now trying to move on the up. It is consolidating right now, but here we might see some retracement back to this area. If we take a look at the technicals, if you want to know, here you see here, if we take a look, one hour, we have oscillators telling us 15 minutes, 5 minutes. You can know, if you want to know the analysis, the current scenario. For example, if you go to the trading view, you see the price is, the candle is forming, but you don't know what is going on right now. Then what you can do is go to the technicals, okay, and just take a look at the 5 minutes, okay, 5 minutes to 1 minute to 15 minutes. Then you're gonna know what is happening right now. Is the buying happening or the selling is happening right now? So you can place the scalping according to your, according to your analysis, okay. So right now the moving average is showing us the signal of strong buy, summary is the buy, and oscillators are telling us the neutral right now. So if we take a look here, and let me show you my XRP trade here. I think I should close this one because I think the BTC is not, let me go back and turn off, and I'm gonna make this chat, might be this one would be good if I sell this one. Okay, my limit order has been created. So this is basically right now approximately near the, because the BTC is retracing, so we might see the price to go down. So if I go back to, you see the price is going down here 1.04 now. Because of the retracement, we might see some retracement due to the BTC retracing as well. So let's go back to the trading view. Where is the trading view? This one. Oh, sorry guys, this one. Okay, so if I go to the chat box now, under which bought TLM at 0.61, no choice. Well, you can, you see, you can average down your price. Okay, if you have bought a TLM at 0.61, you can average down your price. Okay, you can, really average down your price, but for that you have to wait, and that's how the TLM price is doing right now. You have to always look for the, you see here the BTC price, it has to test this area 41,200 and 42,000 right now guys. So this is the current scenario guys. If we take a look at Ethereum or any other coins, where should I go? Okay, let me go to the Ethereum here, Ethereum USDT. Okay, this one, USDT would be a good. Binance here, if I take a look here, the Ethereum is on a roll, guys. The Ethereum is making a high now. If we go to the weekly chart here, you see the Ethereum has just corrected from this area. If we draw some trend here, if you can see this one, see perfectly here, you can see. If we take a look at here, perfect bounced off, perfect bounced off. This wick close, if the body would have closed below this area, then we would have gone down to this level, but it has closed above. So that surely what I'm expecting the price in the coming days to almost it's gonna reach this, it's gonna break this level, it's gonna break this high, swing high, what I'm expecting here, this as well. So these are the three crucial levels. Surely the BTC is going for 3,343. You can buy in and you can do the momentum trading right now. You can do the momentum because there is no, I don't see any resistance here in between. So guys, do you have which coin to go for? Which coin to go for? I told you Ethereum is making strong move on the upside. It is on the, it is on the up move right now. You can see here it is doing a momentum trading right now. So here you can see we have rejections at this area. You can scalp for around this one, could be the area here as well. So you can do a scalp around here, 3200. If we move here, scalping means you can move another, you can move another 11%. This could be the area we can hit right now, 3240 today. This is on the daily chart. This is my expectation for today. If the BTC stays above, we can expect the price to hit this area, 3240. This is what I'm expecting right now today. So this is the current scenario of Ethereum. And which coin also, you can also check the BNB USDT pair. All coins are pumping, guys, all coins are pumping. If we take a look at the XRP USDT, all coins are pumping right now. You can see here we are seeing a good move on the upside as well. See this one, this is also a good resistance. Okay, if we take a look, this is a swing high 1.11, and here this is also another 0.09. so I'm expecting the price is going to reach at this area. So you can go for any momentum coin. If possible, how long will it take Solana to again reach at its all-time high? Let's take a look at the Sol USDT again. If you take a look at Sol USDT, okay, what do we have here on the daily chart? If we go on the weekly chart, so what do we have here? We have multiple rejections at this area because the candles are closing below this area. So this area, this one is a good demand zone. You can draw this area. Let me draw the demand zone, the supply zone here. This one would be a perfect area. Okay, now we have some, now I'm gonna go to the, okay, let me draw this one to be the, this one to be the support zone of the Solana right now, 24.5. So if I go to the daily chart, you can see we have some, this is the area we see the resistance, and then we might see some rejections from this area as well. Swing high, this is a swing. I'm gonna draw the candle. This is the swing high candle. Okay, this is also a swing high candle. Okay, so I'm gonna take the average of these two candles. So this could be swing high, this is another swing high. This area we see, this one is also as, okay, 1 2. Okay, we have this area as well, this area as well. This is the swing low candle. If I draw the supply here, this one and this area, this is pretty different. Now this is a perfect area. Why? We see one rejection, two rejections, three rejections again, then it was flipped. We got rejection here, one, we got two, we got three, then again almost the same area. Okay, then we got rejection, again this area, you see. Again we got a new message, guys, we got a new message. Let's take a look here. It shows BTC dominance going as alts, be careful if it touches 40 zone again. So what it is, BTC is going, yeah, BTC dominance is going to move up. So if the BTC dominance moves up, we might see some retracement. You see, if we take a look at the XRP, okay, my trade has been closed. Okay, I just closed my trade. If we take a look at the, let me show you guys my trade. Let me show you my trade. You see here, I bought XRP at 0.8250. okay, and now I have sold live. This is the live trade, guys. I just sold here. You can see I entered at 0.602 USDT, and now I'm out from this trade. So let us calculate the profit which I made. I bought in 2 days ago. Here you can see 24, and now I have sold right now, which is live. So I'm gonna show you the profit I made from the spot. I've got 768. okay, minus we got 602. I have got $166 of profit in 2 days just by doing the spot. I just bought here at this level, sorry, at this one, this candle, because why? Here when I saw that this candle was moving up, it break above this level. This is the area the candle was, you know, it closed above this area. So here I thought this would be the good area, because it also closed above the support in this resistance, and it became the support. You see how? Let me delete these ones so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. Here, if we take a look here, if I show you this one with the help of arrow, you see this one here, the candle, okay, here this candle was getting rejected, again got rejected, but when the body closed above this area, then surely I placed an order here on the retest, because the previous swing low was broken, and I entered here. When this was rejected, here I placed the trade at this area 82, and now you can see I have closed my trade here, because it's good. You have to take profits, you have to get in and out. Now what I am expecting is the price is gonna go up, but on the retracement here to this area, if it gets rejected, you know, I see for a week up, and then again I'm gonna enter at this 0.97, or might be this level as well. So this is how it goes. So this is the mini trade I just wanted to show you. So now back to the chat section here. Okay, which coin to go for, if possible, how long will it take? Thanks again, nice spot trade, keep doing good work. Thank you guys, thank you guys. Okay, Shivam, you asked for which coin to go for. Let me tell you another trick as well. Just go to Binance and, you know, sort out the coins with the help of volume. Here, the volume, okay, sort out the coins with the volume, okay, and from here, high volume coins are usually volatile. Okay, they are volatile, they move quickly, they don't stuck. Okay, you can buy any of these coins. These are the high volume coins. Just place anything, just choose anything. You don't have to worry about coins, you have to take about the profit. That's it. Okay, it's all about the profit. You don't have to worry about the which coin should I buy. Yeah, just go with the high volume coins. That's it. You buy low, you sell high. That's it. This is the theory. You are here for the profit. You're not here to love the coin. Okay, you are here for the profit, not to love the coin. That's it. Okay, you can buy the BTC, you can buy the Matic. Okay, you can even buy the XRP, you can buy, you know, BNB. Okay, just, you know, keep an eye on the candles. Here you see, if we take a look at here, this is the swing high here. Let me delete everything here. Let me delete everything and let me maximize the chart here. Let me go to the 1 day, a 3-day chart. Let's take a look with the help of 3-day chart. Here you can see the 3-day chart is showing us this area is a, let me delete this one. If you want to place your order, you can place your order around this area 248 now. Why? Because surely it is gonna retrace back to this area to confirm that we have broken this area of resistance, which was previously resistance. Now it is a support, so we might see a retracement. And now, for example, let me show you. I think I'm gonna place a trade around 348 to this one. Could also be, let me go to the 1 day to make a clear area. Here we can place a trade here as well. Okay, this one. Okay, this candle, if it gets rejected from this area, this usually happens. What happens is when a region is broken, we see a candle on the down, which it gets rejected, then we see a move on the upside. So what I'm expecting, we might see a retracement back to this zone. Then I'm gonna place any order in between these two price levels, which would be $333 to $348. So as you can see here, this is also a main demand zone. So the next up would be this level, BNB, this area, and that could be here. If we take a, this is, mind that guys, this is not a swing high. Okay, this is not a swing high, not a swing low as well, because this candle closed, this candle didn't closed above this area. Here you can see this is a swing low candle, so we might see some rejection from this area, from this area as well. Here we see when the price was above, if we cut out this candle, this would have been the swing high. So the price is touching this area right now. We might see some rejections from this area, this one. The price is going to touch the 403 mark for now, and from there we might see some retracement if we go back here to this level as well. But I would stick to 348 to 333 for the BNB. So this is the BNB price analysis, guys. Let me go back to, okay, how to go for the limit. True, never love the coin. Yeah, shall I buy 21.50 TLM or wait? 21.50 TLM is and do you think today the BTC will come 38k? Okay, the 38k level is surely BTC is very volatile. It has a high volume. Let me move it to some. Okay, BTC, if we take a look here, you see, if we take a look here, 38k is the resistance. Okay, we might see some rejection or correction towards this side. Let me go to my original trading view, this one here, this one, yeah, this one. Let me go to the trading view and let me enter this. I have drawn the levels here, which would give us the exact. Okay, so let me turn off all these things. Okay, ADA, I'm gonna give you the price analysis of ADA as well. Just wait for a while, just wait. Okay, here is the ADA right now. ADA, oh sorry, this is the BTC right now. Okay, so right now this is 39,000 level, this area. I'm not talking about this one. These are the demand zones. Okay, demand, this is the supply zone, this is the supply zone, this is the demand zone. Why? If you could take a look here, we see rejections, two rejections here, two rejections here. It was support here, now it became the resistance here. So what I see, the price might go to this level, and from there it can reject, and we might see some retracement back to 38,000 here, this level, because you can see this is the swing high here. If we cut the just make this level here, you see here, if we close this candle, we have cut the other candles. Now here you can see this is the swing low, this is the swing high. So if any candle goes above here, we might see some retraction back to this area. that would be this one, 38,796. okay, we can also hit this area as well. This would be this area. There are multiple zones, guys. You have to look for multiple zones. It can go back to 338k, but it all depends on the, if I go back and turn on the live, let me show you. If I go to the 4-hour chart, so here we have the chart right now. You see the price is getting rejected from this area. Now why it is rejecting from this area? If I go back, this is the swing high, this candle, this one is the swing high candle. Okay, if I draw the zone here, take a look at here, you see here the price is trying to close below this level. You see, you have to just look for the swing high candles for the resistance and swing low candles for the support levels. That's the trick, guys. That's the simplest of the trick. You can, don't get worried about so many candles. This is so many candles here. Okay, there are too many candles here. Just keep an eye on the swing high candle. Swing high means the candle with a large wick on the upside, which is currently here. You see this candle closed below this level. We have this candle above, but we have to look for the specific region. This region, in this region, this is the swing high candle. So you see how perfectly the price is reacting to this level. Here you can see it is closing below this level. So what I am expecting right now, the price might retrace back to 39k here at this level, 39,606k. okay, we might see some retracement to this area. If it closes below, then again it all depends on the candle closes. Okay, candle closes are very important as well. So let me draw the volume profile as well. This is the fixed volume profile. I'm gonna do the analysis from 21 May. Here you can see this is the 21th of May. I'm gonna do the volume profile analysis of current for these days. So here you can see the current volume is fluctuating. If I make it 100 bars, and let's take a look at here. Now you can see the volume. There's a lot of volume in here. What it shows us, if we draw this level, this one, now what it means that this area is acting like a magnet. Why? You see rejections here, and there's a lot of volume. Lot of volume means then means that we can retrace back to this area. The volume, this is, you know, this is the magic of volume profile. We might see some retracement back to 38k. okay, while doing this, we might see, you see the price is going down here, the price is coming down here, retracing back. So we just have to look for the price. So might be we might see some retracement back to this area, because this area is acting like a magnet. Why? You see, let me show you here, let me show you this one. Price went up, came down, okay, and went up again, stayed here for a while, then again came down, again went up, then again it stayed there for a while, again stayed for many days here. Now again it has been rejected. So we might see some retracement here at 38k. So this is due to the volume profile levels. So you see the volume, the price is coming down. So I have sold. That's why you see here, that's why I turned off my trade here. I closed my trade here. You can see the price is now going down. And if I take a look at the Ethereum or BTC, let me place an order, guys. Let me place an order. This is the swing high. Okay, we might see some retracement back to this area. I'm gonna place the orders, but let me show you here. You see the price is going down. So let me go to the ADA now. For now, okay. True, never love the coin. Thank you, Fawaz Qureshi, Saeed. Shall I buy 21 TLM? Wait. ADA dead cat bounce. Any thoughts? Drop on 28. Well, 28 is not gonna be on the charts right now because we are moving on the upward direction. So ADA price, let's go to the ADA price prediction, guys. But for that, I'm gonna put an order on the, if we go to the Matic, we can see a retracement. Let me show you the retracement here. This one could be a good retracement. This is the swing high candle. We can see a retracement back to this level. So this would be 1.72, but it is going to be a price range of 20%. If we take a look at here, and if we take a look at here, we might see some retracement. This would be the retracement of 5%, and that's how I think this is on the daily chart. If I go onto the weekly chart here, let me, yeah, you can see there are a lot of, you know, consolidation. So we might see a retracement back to this area. I'm gonna go for this candle, would be the perfect one. If I place the order here, 1.77, and this is a swing high low, and this area as well. If I go back here, let me show you, this is not a swing high candle, this is a swing high candle, this is the swing high, this one is another swing high candle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place some orders in between these candles. Okay, these are my levels. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna divide the levels, I'm gonna divide the orders, 1.83, 1.80, 1.77, 1.72. I'm gonna divide the levels. Okay, so what I'm expecting the price to come down to this area. So what I'm gonna do here, let me show you guys. These are the 1.83, 1.80. So I'm gonna divide the 1.83. I'm gonna divide this one with the 4. How many levels I've drawn? Let me show you guys. Let me show you this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can find another spot. This one could be a good spot as well. This one. Okay, we have got 5 spots now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place the trades. I'm gonna order the trades. I have got 767. I'm gonna divide it by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have got this one, 153 per trade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place a trade of $153 at 1.183. One order is limited. Okay, now another 154 at 1.80. okay, sorry, 154. Another trade at next one would be 1.77 or 154. I'm only putting this because the Matic is in has a high volume. It is, you can see here, the volume is in top 3, is in the top 3. So that's why I'm placing a trade here. So 1.77. okay, this is the third trade I'm gonna put in. This is why I'm putting this, because I'm looking at these candles. This is the, you know, the consolidation zone. So I can change my orders, I can close these orders if I see some, you know, you can see the bearish sentiment. I'm gonna close these orders and then I'm gonna place somewhere here. It depends on the BTC price. Right now I'm making these orders for you guys so that you can see how I'm averaging down my price right now. So I'm gonna place another order here, 154. okay, now last one is the 1.72. I'm gonna go for this order as well. So these are the 5 orders I have placed right now. Why I have placed these multiple orders, you can see here the price have made a parabolic move. Now I see some correction to this area. It can go down to 20% to 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 level. So if I bought here, if I see a wick down here, all of my orders are going to fail, and then from there we can see a move on the up, and that way my average price would be lower. Okay, you got it. If I place order somewhere here and the price gets down and then stays here, then my break even would be very difficult, would be low. So this is how I place trades on the ladder buying at certain zones. I pick zones. You see here if you take a look here, we have this zone, multiple wicks around here, so you can't predict at which yeah, you can see the swing high candle as well, but you can't predict the exact pinpoint entry. You have to draw the you have to draw multiple regions, then from there you can place your orders. So I'm going back to the ADA. Someone asked for the ADA price. If I go back here, if I go to the weekly chart, let me go back to this area. I'm gonna just move it here. Okay, what do we have? Let me delete everything. We're gonna draw from the start. Okay, here we have the swing high exactly perfectly spotted here as well. So this is the current zone. Here you can see this is on a weekly chart. We see one rejection, we see two rejections, we see three rejections, and on the fourth attempt it went up, and you see this candle wicked here exact at this spot, validating this to be the support. Now this previously was a resistance, now it became the support here, and you see the next candle came down and touched here. Why? Now let me show you. This one is a swing low candle and it wicked here. You can see this body. You can also take the bodies, you can also draw the zones here. Let me draw these zones to be the, if red would be the good zone, yeah, red to be the red zones. Okay, so you see we have a this region as a demand zone and the other region as the high zone. So I'm gonna draw the top here, making it yellow, and now I'm gonna shift back to the daily chart. Okay guys, just hold on for a bit. Okay, what do we have here? ADA, Singh Chauhan, I am doing it for you. ADA price prediction, dead coins, TLM please. Awesome. Wet after please. Yeah, wet, just wait. And TLM done, but I am going to repeat. I'm going to repeat again for you guys. And anything you want, just name the coin. Okay, just name the coin. I'm gonna do it for you guys. Just name the coin. Okay, just for a moment guys, just for a moment, let me check how many viewers do we have here. We have 13 viewers. We have 139, 129, 193. Okay, no problem. So I'm gonna go back to the ADA price prediction now, and also how much time it took. 1 hour. It has been 1 hour 27 minutes. Okay, no problem. The stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended. We recommend a user bitrate of 4500. Okay, I might have to turn off my internet for a while. Let me turn it off. Okay, so what do we have here? ADA price prediction. Okay guys, okay, this is a huge demand zone. I'm gonna make it bit smaller. I'm gonna make it bit smaller here. If we take a look at the Bitcoin, at the Cardano price prediction here, this is the area of accumulation. This is the area of accumulation. Let me draw the zone here. Yeah, you see how perfectly all these candles are wicking below and getting rejected from this area, and we can say this one is a good. We have got a sell, we have got a signal guys, we have got a signal here. SXP buy zone 2.35 to 2.38. Sell target is this one. Let's take a look. Is this is the group guys, Crypto Mania Pakistan. So let's take a look at this one, SXP. Let's take a look at this zone right now. Let's take a look at SXP USDT. He's giving us the signal. This signal as 2.35 to 2.38. Let's take a look at 2.35 to 2.38. He gave the signal because I think he got rejected. This candle got rejected. Let's validate this. Is it validate or not? Let me go to the monthly so that we can draw the SXP. So what do we have here? This went up, went low. This one No, this one is not a swing high, this one is a swing high candle. So this zone is too much away. I'm gonna draw this level to be the 3.2. So he's giving us 3.45. okay, and the next would be here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move on to the weekly one. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. This one, okay, this is the swing high candle, guys, swing high candle, and this one is the make it yellow, another here yellow. So this is the swing high candle, you see, this is the swing high candle here. So he gave us the signal at this area right now, and it is almost near the resistance. I think we should have wait for the confirmation. I think this is my thinking right now. He is telling us to buy at 2.35 to 2.38, but how? I don't understand this signal. That's my thinking. Why? Because right now it is at the resistance level. We need to close above. So how can you buy at the resistance level? This is my question. How you can buy at the resistance level? Yes, you can bought once this level crosses above, and we see a wick from here, and which shows the rejection. It means that we are now officially on the uptrend. If we take a look at the daily one, let's take a look at the daily here. Let's take a look at the daily. If we go back here, we have the swing low, swing high. Okay, we have this area as well, 2.6. okay, we can see some wicks as well. If we move on, here we have the swing high candle, we have the swing low. This is the swing low candle as well, this one. It has a lot of areas. So what I'm expecting, this is the area. You can see this could be the area of where the price is, where the price can stay or accumulate, or the consolidation period. Let me check it, let me cross check it with the help of the volume profile. I'm gonna check it, the volume profile. Okay, you see this area, how perfectly it is near the resistance, this area of support here. So you can call, you see I have already drawn this area. Once we get above this area, then you can place your orders. Once it gets rejected, we need to validate this level. Validation is very important. If you bought at this level, if we see a big down and this level somehow broke, then what are you gonna do? You have nothing but to wait. So if I was in your place, I would have waited for some confirmation. Confirmation is also important. So let's take a look with the 13 EMA. We are way below the 13 EMA. You can see we might see some retracement back. Then with the help of volume, take a look at the volume. Volume is very low. You see the price is increasing, but the volume is getting down. So this upward movement is not supported with the volume. You see the volume is getting down. This needs to be above, but here the RSI is showing a little bit move on the upside. So this is kind of 50-50 signal. You see, this is kind of 50 signal. It can go to this level or it can retrace back to this level. Okay, because of this zone. As you can see right now, the candle is closing above. It has to close above. This is the daily candle. If you go to the 4-hour candle here, yeah, it is a short-term signal. Yeah, I got it. This is a short-term signal here. I see this guy, this region was closed and this candle has rejected. That's why he gave the signal at 2 point. Let me draw this one here. I was just checking. You see, this was the signal here, SXP. Okay, he gave the signal. Okay guys, just listen carefully, I'm trying to give you some tips and tricks right now. If somehow someone gave you the signal to buy this, you just have to cross verify. This is what I'm doing. Okay, I'm cross verifying. I'm doing, first I did the weekly, then I did the daily. I analyzed myself that could this be a good signal to buy. Why? Because you see, I see 3 candles on the upside, already on the bullish move, already up. This coin already up. You see here, if we take a look here, oh, this was the, let me show you guys here, this coin is already up 22% from this area. Should I buy this coin? Okay, so that's why I was cross checking it. This candle here, it gives us some kind of, it gives us some kind of confirmation. Why? Because it got rejected. This wick, you see, it is getting rejected from this area, so it means it is validating the price, so we can take an entry. But I would rather wait for another candle to form, so that we can pass above this level. Once we get above this level, then surely here 2.4 we can, then we can place our quick trade round here. This one would be the swing high, this one, this area. So this is what I expect, some movement of 10%. We can do a scalp of 10%. Okay, so that's how you take signals. Okay, you have to be very careful. We have to look for the validations. That's it, guys. So let's go back to the chat zone. Wet, just wait. Okay, wet bot at 0. Do you know how long do I have to wait? Wet bot at 0.15. okay, wet USDT, oh sorry, wet USDT. Gonna go to the Binance. Telegram channel link is, let me show you, HTTPS. okay, that is the Telegram for you guys. TLM, sorry, Crypto Global 100 YT. This is the Telegram link for our channel. Rosex, yep, thank you so much, welcome. Okay, wet bot ADA also was left alone. I was looking for the ADA as well. I'm just gonna complete the ADA for now. So it is touching this resistance here. It has to close above this level, and the next week some rejection from here, and then we surely are going to move on the upward direction. So right now we have a good move on the upside. It is approaching the resistance now. You don't have to buy now. If the candle closes below, then we might see retracement to this level. That would be please tell me, is good. Yes, ADA is a good investment. Yes, ADA is a good investment. Not last question, you can ask as many. You can ask Sayyidul Mamoon, you can ask any question, brother, no problem. I'm here for you guys. Okay, I'm here for you guys. If you need any questions, if you need anything, any answers on any, anything, you can ask me. According to my limited knowledge, I'm not expert, but according to my limited knowledge, I will try to help you guys. Okay, so no problem. Okay, I'm gonna go to the wet now. So you see, this is the ADA right now. If this candle closes above, if we take a look at the 4-hour candle, here we have the 4-hour chart right now, and here we might, you see, 2 rejections from the upside, but it has to close. This area needs to be broken in order for the price to move on the next, all-time high. So this is the current scenario, guys. This is the, you see, this zone is the accumulation zone. You see, this zone is the accumulation zone. So if we get rejected, we might see some retracement to this area, which would be 1.55. you can buy here, and then you can hold and sell high. I'm going to go to the wet is here 1 point. I told you guys here, this area, it is also approaching the resistance. It also approaching the resistance now. Okay, we have to break above, this candle needs to break above this area, then surely we are going for the next swing high. That would be this one. Okay, let me show you. This is the swing high, okay, which would be 1.46. if any candle closes above 0.146, why? Here you see we have a swing high candle, and this candle first it needs to break the body of the this swing high candle, and then it has to test this level. So we have two two levels to break. Okay, we have two levels to break, one this one and other one would be this one. Once we break above this level and this level, then surely we are going to test the next swing high at somewhere around this one. This one could also be a swing high, this one, yeah, this region here. I'm looking at this candle, this is the swing, these two candles. Okay, so if we further look back here, I might see some if we break here, then we might see this level. This would be 0.16697. okay, but first it has to close above this area. This area first needs to be closed, and then we have to see a recorrection. A correction is must. Without correction, you can't predict anything. So this is the current VeChain price analysis. So do we have any? You are the best. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much. No problem at all. Mihai, I can't pronounce your name, but thank you very much. Thank you, guys. So let me go back to this group. Let's take a look at the SXP. Don't you think, guys, this guy, he put an order, and at the same time I think this was the SXP, but this one was way ago. Okay, so we have May 19. Let's take a look at the unfolded. What do we have here? May 19th trade count was magnitude higher on the Coinbase than any other exchange. Okay, these are the groups. Okay, guys, these are the groups. Okay, this guy, Blood Sanctum, he is class. He's a pure gold. He's also one of my teachers as well. He hasn't taught me anything, but I follow him a lot. Here you can see right now he is telling us BTC flipped 36k into sport, is going towards 42k. Throughout the video I've been telling you guys 42 is the resistance. If we take a look at this zone here, you see I also drew the sport zone at 36, and now we are approaching 42k, and from there if it gets broken, then we might see a next level. Okay, but we have to wait for the candles to close. So this is what he is thinking as well. So if we go to the Ripple enters the NFT space to, let's see, Ripple enters the NFT space to lower gas fees as XRP prices tiptoes above $1. Ripple enters the NFT space to lower. Okay, that's a good news, guys. You see, a lot of time news are very good for the momentum trading. You see, momentum trading. XRP is a good buy. Let's take and have a look at the XRP. Do we have how many viewers? We have 13 viewers right now, with a playback of 214. Okay, thank you guys, that means a lot to me. I'm thankful for you guys. So let's take a look at the ADA right now. ADA here. Oh, sorry, XRP. I was looking for the XRP. Sorry, 1.04. So if we take a look at the 4 hour, we might have some rejection here. Okay, we have some rejection in here. I've drawn, just don't get blown out by these areas. You see, we got rejection from this area. It means that we are moving on the upward direction, but I am very concerned about the BTC price. BTC needs to test this level 42. So you can buy some coins at right now. You see, what gives me the problem, what is my concern is price went up, came down again. It has not broken the previous swing high. It has to go above this area, then we can place a trade. On its rejection we can place a trade, but right now we can see a double top here. If we go and look out for the other coins as well, let me show you. If we go to Ethereum here, if we take a look at here, it has it is also approaching this double top. Okay, so although it has crossed the previous swing high, we need to close above this as well. If I take a look at the Matic, here we see it's also approaching the double top all-time high here. If I go to the ADA, same thing, it's also approaching the double top. What I expect that it, although it is an inverse head and shoulder, here you see this shoulder, we see this shoulder, and we see head. From there we can see a move on the upside. So ADA is a good buy. I think I should go for the ADA. ADA is a good buy. If we take a look at here, horizontal support, this one could be a good support. I would be waiting for this 6 area for short term. So let me go to the DOGE coin. DOGE coin is a very, you know, its move is different. Its move is different. You can see it has not reached to the top. It hasn't even crossed the previous swing high. So we might see some explosion once we get out of the BTC, Matic, BNB, XRP. Then we might see a retracement on the upside from the DOGE as well. If we take a look at here, let me draw the trend lines. I'm going to draw the trend lines here, or let's take a look with the help of Fibonacci level. Fibonacci levels are important, so I'm going to draw the Fibonacci levels here. I'm going to go to the bottom to the top here. So no, this one is not a top. I'm gonna make one another. If I go to, sorry, this one, swing low, I'm gonna take a look at this one, would be a good. Let's take a look at here. Yeah, now this one here, if we take a look at the 4-hour Fibonacci levels, we have, see, let's take a look at here. Price here, at these levels, it was testing and rejecting. Here when it was flipped, it got rejected again, then again if we go down here, it got rejected from this level, okay, then it stayed at this area. Again it crossed above, tested this level, then again tested back, it didn't cross this level, didn't reach. So again here it stayed at this area for some time, then moved down here, making a, this was a big huge drop due to the BTC crash. So all the technicals would have failed at this zone. Next up, the price came up and tested this zone, got rejected again, price came down, got rejected at this zone. Now we are again approaching this area. So I am expecting we might see a move on this area of 15 to 20% here at this area. Okay, but we have to wait for the retracement. I'm waiting for the retracement, guys. Why? Well, because BTC can retrace. BTC can retrace from the, if we take a look, BTC USDT, if we take a look at here, we can see some retracement because it is approaching this area 42,000. So we might see some, you know, a test at this area. So I'm expecting, if we go and take a look at the DOGE coin here, if you want to place a trade, at the DOGE coin here, sorry guys, where I was, okay, this one, okay. If you want to place a trade at the DOGE coin here, this is the DOGE coin, you can place a trade around this area, swing low. This is the swing low. If I go back, I have to look for some levels. Which levels would be the most authentic ones? Okay, we see this level, swing low, now swing high, swing low. Okay, this is the swing low, and we might see some retracement back to this area. This is the swing high. This area can also be taken into account. Retracement to this area and to this one. I'm also only gonna draw these two levels. Okay, so here we can see a lot of candles closing above this zone, you see. So if you want to place a trade, you can place a trade somewhere around 0.33 level. Okay, Guys, I have a call. Let me go and take the call. I'm gonna pick the call for now. Just hold on for a while. Okay, guys, I am back. I am back. Sorry for the interruption, guys. I had a call from my father, so that's why. Sorry for that. Okay, so this is the level I am in looking. Okay, these are so many levels here you can see, but if you want to place any trades, you can place like this one. This is the swing, swing low, swing high. We have got so many levels, guys. This is really, yeah, this one swing high. You can place buy orders like this one. If I go here, one order, this would be 2, this would be 3, and we got another swing low this here, but it's below this level. I'm looking for the levels above this area, and then this area as well, another this area as well. So I've got so many areas. So if the price falls down here, we might see 10% correction. 10% correction could be due. So if the price falls here, all of our orders are gonna fill, and it's gonna fill in average price. It's not gonna fill at the one price, it's gonna fill at 5 different places, which is going to lower down our average buying price. So let me check, do we have anything, guys? Okay, we have joined by the CEO Haris Mughals. Is my friend Haris Mughal. Welcome to the group, welcome to the live stream, Haris. Welcome to the group, Haris. He's the guy who is handling our Telegram group. Okay, if we go to the Telegram chat, we have this guy, Haris Mughal. Here you can see Haris Mughal. You can see, zoom in, and this guy has just replied out, hi guys, I am live on YouTube. Okay, I'm live on YouTube, and I'm pinpointing the Haris Mughal. Okay, guys, do you have any questions? Then please ask me. If you have any questions in your mind, please let me know. Please. Okay, I think we have got no questions right now. So I'm gonna go back to the DOGE coin again. So we have different zones right now. These are the zones you can buy in and place in the orders. So let's take a look at the sentiment. What is the greed and fear index? Let's take a look at the greed and index fear. Yesterday, 2 days ago, it was at the 14. Now it has increased above. So it's a good. Extreme fear was here, it came down to 14, but now it is at 22. So there is some bullish sentiment right now. Okay, it is going up. And if we take a look at the altcoin season index, we can take a look at this one as well. We're gonna take a look at this one, altcoin season. It says the altcoin seasons. Okay, Bitcoin season, altcoin season. Okay, it's an altcoin year. 57%. So XEM has fallen down 50%, dot 25%, BTC 16%, and the biggest one was the TEL. Okay, TEL has risen above 1000%, Matic also 1000%, ETC, DOGE, VAT. If we take a look at the last 30 days, yeah, this one is the 30 days performance. So Luna has fallen over 50, minus 56%. Phil has also, Cake as well. Let's take a look at the Cake, Phil, and the other coins as well. Let's take a look at the Cake. We have Cake as well, $19. It is near the resistance as well. If we take a look at the Phil, where do we standing here as well? So Phil is also approaching, this is, you see here, it is also on the downtrend. So if we take a look at the Phil, Cake, and what others, I was looking for Luna as well. We have also, this would also be in the downtrend. So these are the coins, guys. These are the midterm coins you can buy and hold, and from there you can do everything else. So guys, I think that's pretty much it. I think no questions any or anything is going on. Don't forget to join our Telegram chat. Yeah, sure, Haris, you must post the link to the group chat. Yeah, I have posted. Yeah, I have posted the link as well. And a good entry price for, okay, 0. vet. Let's take a look at the vet coin. Here it is, vet USDT. I'm gonna go to the vet USD cake analysis. Okay, cake analysis. Okay, vet, here you can see cake analysis. Okay, I'm gonna do the cake analysis as well. Just hold on for a bit. Vet 0.105, 0.105 here, 105. This one, this is a good demand zone. Yeah, it's a good demand zone. Vet, it has a good demand zone here, but if this candle closes above this area, this you see here, this is a swing high. Okay, I'm looking for this candle. Let me turn off the EMS. I'm looking for this candle, aiming for this candle. If this candle gets close above the swing high, previous swing high, and the wick of this previous swing high candle, then surely we are going up. But if it closes below this level, surely we are going to retest or correct ourselves at this area, 0.11. so you can place your orders here at this area. This is a zone of accumulation, see. So I think you've got the idea right now. Let me place this one as well. So let me draw the cake analysis for you guys as Haris give us the request. I'm gonna delete everything. I'm gonna turn off the volume. I'm going to go for the monthly first, and let's take a look at the monthly. We have a perfect down here. This could be the spot, this could be the next. Let me go back to here. We have, okay, let me go back to the weekly for the more detailed areas. So what do we have here? This is the swing high, low one as well. Okay, this is a swing low candle. Okay, swing high, you can draw. This could be our level of area here. Okay, I'm gonna turn off now this area. I'm gonna move to the daily now. So now here, what do we have here right now? Okay, sometimes we have to delete the areas on monthly, on the weekly, and we have to readjust all the areas for the proper confirmation. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw the volume profile from the first day of listing till now. Here, if you can see, we have the good volume profile showing us this is the key area of support. If we take a look at here, now it is showing us, you see here, the volume has increased at this area. You see the volume has increased at this area. If we take a look, just hold on. Okay, the volume has increased at this area. I'm gonna draw a level, rectangular box here, this one. So this is a good spot right now. And then next here, the volume is getting grayed out here. So I'm gonna draw another zone at this level. This would be a good level. Okay, I'm gonna go and take a look at here, this one, and from there we have a bottom around somewhere here, this one. Okay, now we have three levels. Okay, we have got three levels. Now we see a consolidation at this area. Now we see a rejection from this area, so we might see some consolidation at this area if BTC, you know, it fails to get past above 42,000. So we might see some retracement here. So then next zones would be this one. Let me show you this one as well. You see a perfect zone here. You see one rejection. We see this candle close above this area. Then these are multiple rejections here as well. So it can also go back to this. If in case the BTC dumps, we might see some retracement here, making a higher low at this area. Okay, and then next up is the swing high, this one. This is a swing low candle. You can see this is the swing low candle, and the cake is trying to, you know, close above this area. I am on daily candle. If cake closes above this area, let me draw the price here, would be this one. If price of cake, you know, if this candle closed above this area, then surely we are going for this, you know. Let me draw the swing high. Here we have the swing highs. Okay, this one would be a good target for now. Yeah, you can go to this area, $22. This is a short-term analysis. Okay, we can go to the $22 if this area gets, you know, passed above and closed above this area. Then we might, then another wick downward is gonna validate this area to be the support level, and then surely we're going to the 22 level. From there we can head up towards 24 to 25 level. So this is the current price, you know, situation of the you know, cake USDT. And if we draw the Fibonacci levels from the bottom to top, let me draw the Fibonacci levels here. This is the bottom, and if I go here to the top, okay, now what do we have here? We have the golden pocket here, 50% here, then 38%. You see these two lines are, you know, confluencing with each other. It means 22.2 is surely our next target, our next short-term target. From there we can retrace and then gonna move up. So 22.22 is our next, now, you know, it is our next target for now. So this is the current scenario. If I go to the 4-hour chart, let me go to the 4-hour chart. Now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a certain regional so that we can confirm our entries. So what I'm gonna do is, if we take this level here, I'm gonna test it, this level to this area, this one. We see some confluencing here as well. We see some here as well. Yeah, this one would be good. I'm gonna make it, you know, white one would be good. So first I draw the you know, Fibonacci levels on the 1-day chart. Now I have drawn the levels of the 4-hour chart. So we are gonna look for the levels which are, you know, confluencing with each other. Here we have two levels confluencing each other, 78%. It confirms that this is a good support area. Then next up we have a good demand zone at here, and here it is also, this is a golden zone, guys. If we take a look at the 4-hour chart, this area is showing us the golden pocket. This candle, if it closes above this area, the next candle is surely going to, you know, move on to the 22 area for the short-term trade here, this one. So just wait for this candle to close, and the next green candle with a good volume, it is going to confirm that the price is moving on the upward direction. Here we see these three volume bars with high, the price was moving up, but this candle, low volume candle, it shows that the price is in the uptrend, not a lot of selling is going on. So that's a good scenario. Here you can see the volume increase, here the price went up here as well. But the downward volume, if we take a look at downward volume, we see not a lot of volume. It means we are in the uptrend for now. So it is a good buy. It is a good buy. Cake is in the bullish trend, but first just need to confirm this one and just let it close above this area, and also wait for the BTC to close above 42k. But if it gets rejected from 42k and if it consolidates at that area, then we might see some retracement back to 38k as well. So let's now take a look at the chat box. Do we have anything? Okay, yeah, it's a very good coin to accumulate. One more question: for a long time, can we predict price targets if they break all-time high, for example ATA? Yes, you can predict with the help of Fibonacci levels. Rasul Yari, you can predict with the help of Fibonacci levels. How? Let me show you with the ATA. Let's for example, let's take a look. For example, if we take a look at the ATA, I'm gonna draw. You see, there are already, I have drawn already many levels here. These are the long-term targets. Okay, these levels, these are the Fibonacci levels, which shows the long-term price analysis. It can go to the 2.5. first it's gonna move between these two levels, between these levels. Okay, so you can predict the price with the help of Fibonacci levels as well. Okay, so I think that's pretty much sums it up. I think I have got no other questions right now, and that would be enough for the day, as I've been streaming for well over approaching near the 2 hours time barrier. So if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comment sections, or anything in the Telegram group. Please let me know. I'm watching the chat right now. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there isn't any question, then I will turn off this live stream, and then I'm gonna make small videos. I'm gonna make some prediction videos today. So I think I've not got anything. That pretty sums it up. Okay guys, keep what is the Telegram group called? You can go to the Telegram group I mentioned here. Telegram group, just go to the Telegram. Let me copy the group here. Let me copy the crypto chat, crypto global 100 YT. Okay, go to the crypto global 100 YT, and do we have, this is the link. I'm gonna copy the link. Okay, I'm gonna paste it here. Again, this is the group. Okay, this is the Telegram group. Shivam Chauhan, thank you, welcome Shivam. Okay, thank you Enigma, thanks Enigma, and thank you everyone for tuning in. So that's it guys, take care, happy trading.